Storing important data in Excel sheets is limiting your business. Almost every company has important data stored in various Excel sheets, like product data, order data, or important KPIs. No one bothered to turn them into working apps in the first place, and now everybody is afraid to touch them. You can easily turn your Excel sheets into fully fledged admin panels and working APIs, and I will show you how. A while ago, we started working on a new project for a big customer who wanted us to turn their Excel sheets into some kind of database. Up until now, they were sending dozens of complex Excel files to more than 50 team members to work on them. So why is working in Excel sheets such a bad decision in the first place? You have no kind of access control besides sending the file. You have no idea who changed what kind of data and when. You have no API access to process your data in a machine-readable way, and it's super easy to make mistakes or create duplicates in an Excel sheet. Almost every company knows this kind of Excel mess, but now we get rid of them. So how do you turn your Excel files into a better solution? The traditional approach for you as a developer is to understand the domain, set up a database, migrate the data, write some CRUD API, set up permission and authentication, and build the actual admin panel UI. Congratulations! Now you've spent more than 1 week working on some infrastructure for an Excel sheet. We did not want to work like that anymore. So when we built our backend as a service platform pylo, we thought of a different approach. With pylo, all you have to do is to understand the data, set up the data model in a visual way, import the actual data into pylo, and invite the users and set up the permission through the UI. So now within minutes, you got a fully fledged admin panel everyone can work with, automatically created GraphQL CRUD APIs with all the features you can wish for, and deeply integrated permissions and authentication across every part of pylo. Aside from the most obvious advantages, this is also a great chance for the future, because now you are able to easily extend, update, and share your data. Build pylo flows on top of your data. Use the pylo forms feature to bring in new data, or connect other sources to get a broader understanding of what's going on within your business. If you want to see how easily you can turn your Excel sheets into fully fledged admin panels and auto-generated APIs, you can write us an email, hit us up in the comments, or go to pyloapp.com and sign up for our closed beta.